at you. Always acting like you're holier than everyone. I am sure that when you were much younger, you were auntie. Enough, Mama! Enough! I will not have you come into my room to insult me. Listen, Mama, I have had it up to here. If you like, have it up to here. If you like, have it up to there. It's none of my business. Listen, all I'm asking you is allow my son take a wife. Let her give him one child. Then you can continue waiting like Sarah in the Bible. That's it, Mama. Leave my room. Eh? You heard me. It's not your room. Hey, my son's room. As a matter of fact, our room. Because my son owns the house. In short, can you go see that I am part of this room? Hi. Bible, don't push me. Now go. Well, let's keep this Bible to the side. Don't push me. I know what me. Okay. Yeah! Bible said that the kingdom of God suffered violence. And the violence shall take it by force. Mama, get up and get out. Give my room, Mama.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.